Here is a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan. I got this ceiling fan from a friend only a few hours ago today. Put it up here in my garage. Replaced the Passport 3. It's a nice fan. Some polished brass. It's got a 4-bulb fixture. It's on a down rod. So there's the top. It's from the year 2001. It's got reversible oak blades to cherry blades. It originally had the cherry blades facing down, but I flipped them over to the oak because I think it looks better. So I'll demonstrate this fan for you. There's the light. And now for low speed. Yeah, it's a nice fan. It does spin somewhat slowly. Now for medium. And high. It blows a good amount of air. I'd say about the most 52-inch Hunter fans should blow. Yeah, it's putting off a pretty good breeze. It's a very nice looking ceiling fan, very fancy and stylish. And back off. So that is it. This is my brand new 52-inch, well, not brand new as in manufactured, as in I got it. So anyway, so this is my 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan. And P.S. I do not know the model of this fan, so if any of you know the model of this fan, you can leave it in the comments below. That would be just a nice thing to do. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.